Somewhere around December 2019, me breaking news etre say gospel musician Celestine Donko why na adwen say we be sue Reverend Obofo na the esi here and say Reverend Obofo eyusu wono Celestine Donko ne ndwom ne hit song Agbebolo na say what the year advert na the Celestine Donko can and say Reverend Obofo ambam be huno wan be seeking for permission. Na Reverend Obofo at the year advert Emma the 31st night watch night no na yeni ayehu how people attended the 31st night. Dear yate and say from Celestine Donko ne camp Celestine Donko ono ani kunu na emanage no na from Celestine Donko no ne camp womo your imagine say womo ne Reverend Obofo so camp ebetena se no more settle assembly out of court womo ye ya ankosiaga Celestine Donko ni kunu a ye friend Mr. Kofi Donko eden nsem bi abetudwa na nsem no watro e won Facebook page so unhu se nya wo kan nsem na otumi hu say yes sisi ade ye the Reverend Obofo akokot because almost say Reverend Obofo wo mo ye bia say wo mo be ma just say why the right thing but he wasn't ready to do the right thing. He was just not ready to do the right thing. It's me person me ready eye enkrata wo mo ede ababonten na yehwe dear Echo, which I was say, dear Reverend Obofo, I write to you not as one of your followers and a beneficiary of your generosity, but as the executive producer of the song you used to promote your 31st December watch night service without permission. When the police investigator and myself met you in your Achimota office, you claimed you were promoting the song and that you have a large following, but sadly, you said you have never heard a name Celestine Donko before. I am surprised at how you can promote a person you don't know exists, but granted. The one more can say, one no Celestine Donko ni kunu no, one no na will produce it in yom no. One a police inspector be eko hu Reverend Obofo e won office e wo Achimota. Na one more call Reverend Obofo e can say, one no Reverend Obofo will following essence Celestine Donko. It is a wo use Celestine Donko en yom e wo ni TV so and now the advertiser not just say well no Reverend Obofo ni mum and a wo promote Celestine Donko. Now asem the buy ebe huhu ya na do baby afa Reverend Obofo say well no there sa edin Celestine Donko no want say that na papa ni bi say hey why we say won't say edin ne da no e ba ne sen na wo san so be ka trend say na wo promote ndwom no ama say ni pakro no. We say my team did everything to get you to put on your sense of reasoning. But like you got one of your subordinates to tell Akwesi Abuaji on Peace FM when this issue first broke in November, we can go to hell. Or see, Reverend Obofo, the see and say, assembly by no, ye reported assembly in December, but assembly ye shall say free November because Reverend Obofo was doing the advert prior to December. And Peace FM entertainment show host a friend of Akwesi Abuaji asem no koda ne nan so and a Reverend Obofo na kola baako ebeka tre Akwesi Abuaji say you can go to hell na tre say wo kasa ma Reverend Obofo say masa de mo betumi aye de mo beye bia emfa ye ho mo beye de mo beye bia emfa ye ho obi no san so de tia so say we are not going to hell, we are going to the court to seek justice. Just so you know, we have a date on Wednesday. By this time, it is an order for you to appear before the criminal court. This is just the commencement of the criminal aspect of your unlawful act. Also, note that the civil suit will soon commence. Not just say, one more the suit two and a airborne Reverend Obofo. One a criminal aspect and a two a civil a suit. Criminal one there will most sue Reverend Obofo. Now Wednesday Reverend Obofo was say or appear ever court. Now share criminal case no assay. I say we did everything to get you to address this illegality, but you know we are nobodies, and so you retreated us with gross disrespect. Justice will prevail. Like they say, the wheel of justice grinds slowly. We shall surely have justice. See you in court, sir. And no, and then Celestine Donko ni kunu ede aba abetudwa na wohwa enkrata wode abetudwa. There are some points you can pick from it. Say one, Reverend Obofo has been sued. You sue Reverend Obofo for the criminal aspect. And therefore, I keep on saying this. Okay? This thing, unto me enye ewa broche emfa wutri endidim. No, unto me. Their systems work. Omo copyright systems no a year juma. Their copyright systems, it works very very well. Abroche. Na abroche na wobi amfa wobi nyumo. Her musician be a friend of Pharrell Williams. Wamfa wobi nyumo. Wamfa wobi nyum. Die si ye ne se wobi abonjom de dada wewu ko. Na nipa ko ne nyum a wo boy no. Enjum no ewo a certain type of feeling. And Pharrell Williams so be boy enyum. And yet the same lyrics, and yet the same beat, just the feeling. You see, what here Pharrell Williams, Ninjum na, it gives you the feeling. I say, what here say Nipako Ninjum no, but these two songs are very different songs. Yet the Pharrell Williams echo court, Emma Pharrell Williams Lucy court case. Na sika what here no, it's here for millions of dollars because their systems work. Their systems work. What you say? It's your holiday. We'll be here now we'll buy a particular beat pattern. Now we'll also be the same thing. Now the beat pattern is shame one. You better win the work of court, and the person is sure to win. Mutie, and the person is sure to win. Ghana has a way you see being due for advert. The Pakone cano wakola the catcher the Pakone say you can go to hell. We don't understand the system in this country. The copyright system doesn't work in this country. It doesn't work in this country. Because clearly, the little I know about copyright, and yeah, now go for beside me say melodies, and then I would and yeah, I won't post videos. We share channels to say GH page mo, or more the assemble, or more post videos no. Would the way you say what kasa efa hon, and yeah, go for friend me beside me say man, dear make a true on say I don't have copyright to those particular videos, so I don't have the right to post them. That's it, and no any copyright. That is how copyright works. And because YouTube also, Obeka say, "Yefa me say me ko fa Shatawale Njum say, na me de beto me channel so a YouTube for every time me say that be your copyright. My for Njum na me de ato me channel so." Because YouTube is not Ghanaian based, no, it also works that way. Facebook, it's an our Ghanaian bloggers are one more ever Facebook web blogging now. One more blogger about so one more there two one more video now say I don't have copyright to the music playing at the background because Facebook also works that way. In for normal systems, juma sa. But Ghana has a copyright in ye juma. Ube to me ako forward BBB and ye advert free. And then you no pay. But abroche. Me see even beat pattern. Now Pharrell Williams the na make no tie. Mo the make no mo ntia you. Ye fa ne say me tie sa akode enwom. Na sa akode enwom a me tie no ama me adwin bi say oh okay enwom no say na eti. Sa akode e kasa about oba akoko bi a ne ho ofe. That's the feeling you have from sa akode song. Na ma sam so akotie Shatawale enwom. Shatawale enwom no when you so sa akode ni beat. When you so sa akode ni words. When you should be beer from Sarkodie, but me tell Shatawale in German so the way I felt, and say Shatawale so kasa about Opakokwa and the warfare, just like Sarkodie deno. And no, and he didn't call court, and I will lose you. Hands down. That's how their system works. Now you kasa wako you so binjum dito and there clearly. And so this is a proper case study for this country. And let me say this: Osha on my way so copyright in sensema ebabiano so who say yes. Mokaya TikTok. One only the image right and also acquires a copyright in sensema TikTok. Well your advert Emma mail comfort. Now you find say well your advert no for duration of a year 1 year. And a mail comfort signing in a woman the picture year advert. Now one more signing say after that year no Melcom for our right say one more renew, so more renewer they can still maintain his image for their advert. And I say one more renewer they have to bring down his image. Melcom for one more renew, but still they were using TikTok image promote one more. TikTok echo court Emani winning. I think he won about 500,000 Ghana cedis or something. And now 5 million. He won a huge amount of money. He won. And also similar copywriting sense. Now say Rexoma. One also say Atiasie. What the company be echo court. Emani winning. Into no, at least who say Ghana has into copywriting sense. No the court a year now winning. Into no, Reverend Obofor squad. Some would see me please. As same way there. Montana Senamon can ye. Ebiana, you guys don't have any idea about this. Ebiana Mumu Susu say you are promoting the person rather, but no, it doesn't work that way. One suma will say promoting. As far as where you see the paconing you without the person's permission in Kwande, the person has the right to take something from you. Intimacy, assembly there. Wamon settle no. Wamon settle no. Muncha mwaju comment box motive for me that say.